So I first apologize because I lost my voice. So I hope it won't be too painful for you, as it is a bit for me. And I hope I will keep my voice until the end. So I will first present Instant System. It's a company that it works. It's a company that I created in 2013 in France, in the south of France. Now we have 40 employees, mainly based in south of France. We have more than 50 customers, a bit like you say, cities authorities and public transport operators. We have two main partnerships with RATP and Keolis. We work a lot with both of them. And we double each year, but we started very small. We still are a startup. And I will talk to you about mobility as service. If I can. So the idea of mobility as service, I think most of you maybe are already aware of the concept, is the idea to integrate and to help people in cities to use any mean of transportation. Well, we consider public transport is the backbone of mobility in cities, but we integrate all other means. Well, today, electric scooters, bikes, but also any shared mobility around cars, carpooling, car sharing, ride hailing, and also we consider personal cars when it's combined with public transport. So we integrate also parkings, and the idea is to help people to use all those mobilities in cities in a seamless way, in the easiest way as possible. So, mobility as service on our approach for the future can have two ways. The first way is mobility as service is based around platforms, pure players of mobility as service, like Google, like Uber. Well, I mean, all people would use such application for any move in cities. It's application that most of you already have in their smartphone, and it's the idea of mobility can be well, such platform becomes the Amazon of mobility. Mobility is a huge market worldwide of billion euros. So being the gateway to access to all mobility can of course be very interesting. And in this case, transport operators will just operate transport, run buses. Cities are in charge of regulation, infrastructure. They invest in infrastructure, and they provide open APIs for accessing data, for payments, and well, they help mobility as service players to run in an open market. Well, this could happen in the future because such companies have huge investment capacities, have a global approach, so scale very fast, and of course have already huge digital expertise. In this case, scheme of mobilities that are pushed are either neutral, based on user interests. What interests your mobility, you decide. That's neutral. In the worst case, mobility that are pushed will be at the interest of the platform. For example, Uber might have bigger interest in cars, in ride hailing, than in public transport, even if one day they sell public transport. Well, if you consider how today smartphone application have an impact on how people decide to move, you think that it might interest cities, because how people move in cities have a huge impact on how we live all together in cities. It's sort of collective interest. What's the place of cars? Well, it's a question of traffic jams, a question of pollution. It's a question of public space. What public space is dedicated to cars? Or can we do something else with this space? And in this case, we believe that cities cannot stay outside of mobility as service. And cities has to be involved in digital services that are provided to users in order to integrate the collective interest of that, to integrate the social question of mobility. Mobility is also social question, and that's what we do. So I present you Move. That's the solution that we sell today. The idea is to integrate in a single application to gather all information. So it's an application that is really easy to deploy in cities. We connect to theoretical data, we connect to real-time data, and we help people to combine or to use public transport to have real-time schedule. It's very easy to deploy, very easy to use. And in this case, we have two main customers. First, urban areas, but also mobility operators, public transport operators. We work more and more with them. One step further is Wave. The idea of Wave is to help people first to book, to unlock, or to buy any mobility, to combine them, and in a simple gesture to buy, to combine, to get information, and to get one invoice with a single account, one payment method. That's for the user part. But also for the cities authorities, we provide a dashboard that help them to understand how people use the platform, how people use the medias, how people move, so they understand what are mobility needs of people in their area. And after that, they can decide to have sort of dynamic pricing for mobility. For example, if there is a peak of pollution, you can decide that carpool is free. You can decide that scooters are free. So people will go to the scheme of mobility instead of using cars. With dynamic pricing, you also can decide that ride-hailing is cheaper at night when there is no public transport, when ride-hailing is used as feeder to public transport. So that's an example that I saw in Nice, in south of France. It's a partnership with the public transport operator and Uber. So they subsidize Uber for certain trips at night. That's very efficient. I think that's the role of mobility as service. So as a conclusion, I would say that Instant System helps cities to deal with private mobility operators and to seize them more as an opportunity than a threat. And today, I must say that for city authorities, they see mobility provider more than as a threat than an opportunity. Instant System wants also to help mobility provider to see cities as opportunity instead as a threat. So we help them to connect and to build sort of win-win partnership. And in the end, of course, we help travelers also to move in cities. So do not hesitate to come and see us. Instant System is just right here in the Hall B. So we have a sort of corner. Not lots of people here, so do not hesitate to come and see us. Thank you.
Any question? One question. Your technology is white label, meaning that anyone can have the technology just by paying a fee for software, or you operate as a startup that goes to the market?
No, we mainly work in white label. So, for example, our main customer is the Paris region. So we do the application. Instant System does not appear. The name is Vienne Vigo. And we have lots of applications that have the name of the city.
Any other question there? No? Sure? Okay. Okay, so we're going to move to our next speaker.